So I saw a video that shows some things that happened when a person was being chased. And I want to take notice of the type of clothes that at least one person who was chasing the person was wearing during subscribers. Anyway, so I got the understanding that the person was running from the direction of where at least one motor vehicle door was open during subscribers. I'm wondering what the person was holding during subscribers. I'm also wondering why the person was running away. Anyways, my people, take a look at the video for yourself. Observe. Now, I don't know how that situation ended. And I'm also wondering if the right person get the right reason, if that person can run as fast as Usain Bolt. Because I think that there are some persons out there who have the talent to run it up. Anyway, so I want to take a look at this part of this video right here, my people. Because while that was happening, I'm wondering what a person who I can see in this part of this video was doing. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.